Hey, it's me, Keep It Crafty. I made this adorable princess themed giant Easter egg and I love it so much. Let me show you how I did it. So I got this giant egg from the Dollar Tree. It was $5 and then the tulle is from Hobby Lobby. I used the egg to measure how long I wanted the pieces and then I cut the whole roll of tulle down to that size. To stick the tulle to the egg, I'm just using hot glue. I'm sticking the tulle on there and then I'm folding it over on top of itself. I repeated this step until I used all the sheets. Okay, so this is what it looks like after using one roll of tulle. You can stop here, but I'm gonna keep going because I want the dress to look really big. So now I'm using my second roll of tulle and just repeating those same steps. Once all my tulle was glued on, I created a wavy look in the tulle by just stretching it out. And this is the final look. Now that the skirt is all done, I'm gonna move on to the princess. I thrifted this doll from Savers. I'm removing all her clothing and jewelry. And now I'm just gonna take my hot knife and cut along that line. Make sure you open up your windows and doors and have a couple fans on because the smell is so strong. Once I started to be able to see the inside, I just broke it in half. I thought this was going to be the hard part, but the hard part was trying to figure out her hairstyle. I tried this bun look, but I'm going to end up changing it later, but it'll work for now. I'm sliding the skirt back in, adding a lot of hot glue to the top, and then just placing the princess on top. I'm using some ribbon as her strap. For the top of her dress, I just decided to go with these flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. Once my flowers were placed where I wanted them, I turned her around and added a bow to the back. At this point, her hair was looking really crazy, so I fixed her hair off camera and then added this butterfly clip that I got from the Dollar Tree. I used some small gold beads for her earrings, and I also added those same beads to her hair. The princess is all done getting ready, so now I'm going to add the gifts to the bottom. I'm starting off with this shimmery tinsel garland. Now I'm adding in this peep that I got from the Dollar Tree. I found this cute little crown at the Dollar Tree, so of course I'm adding that in. I also found a princess themed jump rope at the Dollar Tree and a princess themed activity egg, so I definitely added that in. And then I just finished it off with some Easter eggs, and now I can add the princess on top, and that's it. Such a cute Easter gift idea. I love it so much. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe so you can always keep it crafty with me. Thanks for watching.